Hunnay may be little, but she's proving that her hula skills and personality are out of this world.
I was like, oh my God, that's me on TV.
The 8-year-old from Hawaii Island was featured on Little Big Shots, a show that celebrates inspiring and hilarious kids.
They were texting mom and giving mom emails, and then I went on the show. That's how I got on the show.
She's really sweet and a fun girl to get to know and be around. So I think after little home interviews, they saw that sweetness in her.
You have to show you right
Yes.
Okay.
Are you kidding? How do you say no to that?
Hunnay has since gone viral thanks to her hula skills, with nearly 2.5 million views of her Little Big Shots performance.
I'm proud of my fit. So I didn't know I was gonna get that much views. I thought I was just gonna get like maybe like 100.
The KHON native has been dancing Tahitian since she was 2 and just started dancing hula a couple of years ago.
Why do I like dancing hula? It makes people feel good, and I like making people smile.
Her mother credits her hard work and determination for her accomplishments.
I think that continues to be a really big strength of hers, that she works hard even when it's not practice time for her.
Hunnay's Little Big Shots episode will air again on Sunday.
I'm so excited.
Kristy Tamashiro, KHON 2 News, working for Hawaii.